Hello everyone, welcome to the Epoch 10.2 mining guide. We're going to compare two different ways in which to mine during Epoch 10.2. The first is to become a state maintainer, and the second is to become a Camellia miner, and we're going to compare the profitability of these two different methods. First of all, to see how the state maintainers earn their income, when the TApps issue a command, this transaction must occupy memory in the state machine. So they have to pay for the privilege of using the state machine, and therefore any state machine node's memory will be used to capture that transaction. For this privilege of using the state machine memory, the TApp developer will pay a price, and that price acts as revenue for the state machine node. And for Epoch 10.2 purposes, the memory tax will be paid at a rate of 10T every 100 blocks. And if you extrapolate that out over 13 days, that's going to make it 18,720 T. So that's how much collectively the state machine nodes, the seat maintainers, can earn for running their state machine nodes during Epoch 10.2. Now let's compare that to Camellia mining. Now usually Camellia miners earn most by hosting TApps, and just so we can recap what that looks like, Camellia is a layer 2 node, has a protected enclave which it can host user data as well as app code. And these two together are decrypted only within the protected enclave of the layer 2 miner. The problem now with Epoch 10.2 is that there's no TApps besides the TApp store, and the TApp store runs on the state maintainer nodes. So there's nothing for the Camellia nodes to host. Therefore, the only way that the Camellia nodes can earn income during Epoch 10.2 is through remote attestation. So for remote attestation rewards, they're very modest. And if you look here at the bottom, we can see that the Epoch service rewards will be paid out to miners 624 T. That's over the course of all 13 days. Now, remember that 1,000 T equals one coffee, and one coffee equals $1. So 624 T is only about 62 cents, and that has to be shared by all miners. So when you can take into consideration that to run a Camellia node, I see here we use the Camellia purchase form, it's going to cost you $5 to run a Camellia node. So it's not generally going to be very profitable. As a matter of fact, you're guaranteed to lose money if you purchase a Camellia. So if we go back and we ask which is more profitable, I'd have to say to become a state maintainer would be the best course of action. And to become a state maintainer, you just come over to seats and you bid one higher than the estimated price, and you do that through this button right here. And then you can become a state maintainer node yourself.